Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today is Ramadan day 12. I want to film content, so it's going to be just a day in the life, content creation kind of content. I have not been uploading, well, just 2 days. Today will be the second day that I haven't uploaded to the channel, which is fine. I go with the flow, I go with my body and how I'm feeling. It's not as if I do not have content. I actually do have content to edit and upload, but again, if I don't have the energy to do so, I'm just going to let it be. The kids are at home, which is part of the reason why I've been so unproductive. And other than that, again, I have sinuses, so I have been having common cold, runny nose, headache. I wake up with headache, and that is not so good. That is not good for feeling motivated. It takes away the motivation. So I want to just confirm a content, about 2 contents today, because today is Monday, Ramadan day 12, and I have on my calendar to film and to edit. So the filming is on top, so that is what we're going to start with. I just want to clear this place a little bit. I really need to do some major cleaning in this filming room, because everything, all content items that I have planned are seated here on my counter, on my table, and I just can't still bring myself to doing anything. But I've not even sat down to do a sit down video in over a month. That is how bad it is. Or not bad, that is how it is. Not doing something does not mean it's bad. It's just whatever it is you're just going to go with the flow. So I wouldn't say it's a bad thing. It's not taking away from anything for me, and majorly it's just because of Jamila Daura channel. I have not uploaded on there in also 2 weeks or so. So we need to do something about that, and that is what I want to do. I have 2 content ideas. Well, major difference. I have 1 content request, and in short 2 content requests, but I'm going to do one, then do another content for Jamila ANOTHER Lifestyle Channel, updated skincare routine for the year 2023. I'm going to do that now. That is the first thing I need to do, because I need to put skincare product on this face. I only have toned my face before I came to sit down, so I want to apply my moisturizer, my serum, and I want to bring you guys along on the very new things that I have been using, which are actually just 4 new products that I have been using since this year started. But again, as always, I wouldn't start anything until I put this place in order. Like, look at, I just sent Kyria out of this place because she's the one using it. She's the one using my space more now since she's been on holiday. So turban is from Hot Hijab, and yeah, I just love how I tied it. It's not a turban, it's a scarf that I tied in a turban style, because I need to do skincare and I don't want to have product on my face. So let me clear up this place, clean up, and get serious. Do that can keep them sane, I allow for it to happen, because if you want to keep policing them, don't do this, don't be here, don't touch this, they get tired, they get cranky, and that is also not good for your own mental health. So having multiple memory cards have really helped me throughout this Ramadan content creation period. Like, I was able to create content as I wanted, move this here, remove this, edit it while another memory card is working. So this was the memory card that did the magic. This 64 gig. I had it for for extra pictures, but I realized that, oh, the pictures I have on was not even much, so I could just use it, and it really helped. Look, always have a case for your memory card, and not just anyhow case, a case that is hard case. I don't know how I came about this. This is Mango Languages. I don't know. Okay, this is the Mr's earbuds, extra earbuds casing case. So he's had this for years, and one day I was helping him clean out some of his old stuff, and I found this. And if you can see the green thing in it, it's still the case, the extra distance. So this has really helped me. Anytime I have extra memory cards that I'm not using, I just put them in here. Even if I'm using them, like I'm actively editing a video, I just make sure that they are stored here, because anything can happen. They can, if you put it in a like flexible casing or a flexible place, it can bend, it can break. So this has really helped me in the last 2 years that I've been using it to store my memory cards. Like, I travel with it. I just like, it's just so helpful. So if you use camera and you use lots of SD cards, make sure that you have a hard case to store them, just to prevent, because even a hard hit to your memory card can corrupt the content that you have on it. I hope you know, so that anytime you like, oh, my whole content is corrupted, what happened, your memory card might just have hit something hard, and that has corrupted your file. So this is the memory card I'm going to be using to edit. I have content on to edit, so it's almost time for Dhuhr, so I need to start this thing. It's 1:14 p.m. now, and I want to film a content between now to 1:45. I wanted to go out, but the weather is looking looking cloudy, so even if I don't get to go out, it's fine. I'm just going to make sure that tomorrow, but I'm going to try to go out briefly. Because I have not filmed the video in a while, I just want to clean my lens and also clean the body of my camera because it's dusty. This is just regular my glass cleaner, my eyeglass cleaner. Also clean my lights, because everything matters. Then another napkin and the cleaner. You don't need much, just spray a little on one side. And use the dry side to pick any lint. My laptop is my monitor. I have to connect my microphone USB to it. Make sure it's on. Yeah. Then connect my camera to my laptop. So anytime it takes time like this, that means there's an update. So I'm updating it. And that is one thing you should always bear in mind as a content creator. If your devices are not functioning or performing as they should normally do, just think about software update. for that to happen, there is going to be a new release for other things that you use, like your Instagram, like your social media apps, like just devices that you use. They all come together to release an updated version that will go with that if necessary, if needed. Otherwise, it's your apps or your devices are just going to malfunction. So you see now it's saying that target not found because the software or the softwares don't match up, the versions don't match up. So it is currently download finished here, so it's going to install. So I'll let that work, and before you know it, we are connected and we are good to go. So this is what the monitor looks like. This is my live view. This is my live view. This is where I'll be viewing myself from. These are my controls that I can use to manipulate. As you can see, it's speaking audio because my this thing is already connected. So my microphone is already connected, so it's speaking audio, but it's not recording. And I can maneuver, I can record. I don't have to stand up and be doing all that from, manually doing all that. I can just do it from wherever I am. So let's get rolling with content. Number one, light on. I actually need to switch on this light. Let's see if there's a difference. Way better. Way better. So guys, I am done filming content number one. Can you tell any difference in my skin? Like previously without skincare, now with skincare products. Can you tell? Is there a difference? I took pictures, but I can tell. But I don't want to know if you guys can tell as well, like which skin is better. Obviously skincare skin is better. So I'm going to pray now. It's time for Dhuhr. I'm going to pray and film a content, then I need to recite my Quran. So that is the next that I have up. So I'm just going to pray now, but before then I need to return my skincare products. Hey guys, hours later, content creation over. I am currently shutting off everything. I've already switched off the light, so I just want to get this one. Oops. Okay. And also get my camera. Always put back the lens cover just in case you need to film very quick content. You know that okay, the lens is probably not dirty, you can take chances and you don't want to waste time. So I just do all that and I switch it off. I don't export my content immediately to my laptop. It does give the option to do so. So it gives you the option to want to, you see that prompt, this prompt, it gives you the option to want to download your record to your computer immediately. I don't do that. I don't do that because it takes a lot to do to download, so I just ignore that. So microphone off, I just cancel, say no, then switch off my prompt, then get my laptop from here, which is not now though, but yeah. So that is it for this day. It's a simple quick vlog. I prayed, I recited the Quran. I'm making progress. I'm seizing the opportunity to remind you, if you're not making progress yet, if you've not started reciting the Quran, try to make room for recitation. This is the month of the Quran, so you have to give it its due attention, its due time, to just balance out your worship, balance out your ibadah. If you do not know how to recite the Quran or the Arabic text, the English text is there for you. If you cannot recite English, just play it and listen to recitations, intentionally listen to recitations. That is really going to help you, but do not ignore the Quran in this holy month. Don't gamble that. So yeah, this is where I end the vlog. I hope you've enjoyed this easy breezy vlog today. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.